Yesterday, we saw those cash hogs tumble about $2, Oliver. But today, we've got the futures kind of holding on to some gains here. And the midday pork cutouts were pretty impressive. They were higher all the way across the board. So how do you feel about this hog market?
I'm still pretty upbeat about the hog market. We got the gap higher on Monday, that kind of matched those spike highs from October 16th, and now we're pulling back, retracing what used to be the top end of the range going back to the end of October, middle of November, and beginning part of December. So that was resistance. It's now going to be support. 68.50 to 69 is the line in the sand that we want to see defended on a closing basis. And if we can do that, potentially we kind of continue this march higher. If we get out above 72, I think there's clear skies. I know there's some pessimism from guys that I've been talking to on the lean hogs, but technically I think the market looks really constructive so long as we can hold support to round out the week.
So this strength that we're seeing over in the cattle complex today, do you think it is led by the feeders? Do you think it's led by cash? It certainly wasn't the cutouts because they were a little bit mixed here at midday.
Well, we saw a lot of volatility in the cattle complex here to start the week. Looking at the live cattle, we had that big move lower, and then Tuesday we just kind of got that all back, and we're just starting to consolidate basically where we finished the year 2020. And I've been on your show here a few times recently talking about what we're looking for in fat cattle. And in February, we're a little bit less enthused on the upward mobility. We could potentially get out above 116, but I don't know how much juice we're going to be able to squeeze out above that just because we are going to be running against the shot clock a little bit. I think if you look a little further out, there's going to be some better opportunities in April is what we've been playing quite a bit. We're at the top end of the range and potentially threatening a breakout here if we can get back out above this 120 area. We get out above there, there's not a whole lot of technical resistance until you get back to those contract highs at 124.50 that we made last January.
Oliver, always a good visit, and thank you very much. Tonight, you and I will talk about how things kind of wrapping up, and we'll do that on the Rural Evening News tonight. One more check of the Dow Jones Industrial Average as we get ready to wind down on this Thursday. March up 197 points at 30,917. Tammy.